Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install resource packs for any version of Minecraft on your Mac. First things first, let's open our web browser. You'll want to head to the resource pack website of your choice. For this example, we're using mod.com. Once you're there, scroll down or click on Discover Mods. Then, click on the Resource Pack tab at the very top. This will show you a list of all the available resource packs. Go ahead and select one. Now this is important. I recommend filtering these by the Minecraft version you want to play on. Otherwise, you might run into some incompatibility issues. To do this, scroll down until you find the game version on the left-hand side menu, and select your Minecraft version. For our example, we're using 1.12.2. Okay, now that the packs are filtered, let's select a resource pack. We'll go with the Faithful 64 resource pack for this tutorial, so click on it. Once you're on the resource pack page, click on the Versions tab near the top. Then, select the version that matches your Minecraft version. Again, that's 1.12.2 for us. After clicking the version, click the green download button.
Save the resource pack to your Mac. I'm saving it to my desktop for easy access. Alright, the resource pack is downloaded.
Now, let's install it. Open your Minecraft launcher and make sure you've selected the Minecraft version you want to play with, in our case, 1.12.2. Once Minecraft is open, click on Options, then Resource Packs. In the Resource Packs menu, click on Open Pack Folder. This will open your Resource Pack folder. It should look something like this. Now, simply drag and drop the resource pack you downloaded into this folder. After you've done that, you can close the resource pack folder. It should now appear in Minecraft. Click the arrow to move it from the available column to the selected column. Like this. Also, it's super important to make sure the resource pack you want to use is at the top. This prioritizes that pack. If it's at the bottom, it won't work correctly. Make sure it is at the very top. Now that you've done this, click Done. Minecraft will reload with the resource pack enabled. You might notice that your Minecraft menus change to reflect the new resource pack. If we click on Done again and then go ahead and play a Minecraft game, as you can see, the new resource pack is working. This one, Faithful 64, is based off the vanilla textures but in a higher resolution, so it's a bit more detailed. We can now start playing Minecraft with our resource pack, just as we normally would. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips. Thanks for watching.